Okay, welcome to another video where we'll be practicing adding and subtracting polynomial. That is a term that contains more than one term. So we have many terms. So we have many terms here. We have 4. And on the other side is 3. That does not matter. All we have to do is to add them or subtract them. Now, let's look at this problem. We say let p of x equal x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. And q of x equal 4x squared plus 3x plus 8. Find a p of x plus q of x. Now, if you want to do this, we're going to first arrange the problem in a vertical order so that the problem can be easy, because we already understand how to add numbers. When we are adding numbers, we arrange it better in the vertical order in order to help us to be able to solve column by column. So we're going to use the digits by digits. So let's try this. Let's write the first one, because p of x is first here. We're going to have x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. Now putting q of x on, but remember the power going to be on the power. Remember, if you have x squared, it should be placed well on x squared. The number of our variable should be placed well on the number of our variable to make the problem easy. So let's look at this. 8 here, we're going to write 8 well on 5, 3x well on 7x, put the sign in between, and we have 4x squared. This one, there's no x cubed here, so we're going to leave it like that. And there put our plus. Same we are adding. So very easy. Now you can add. Start adding from the side. 5 plus 8 is not like numbers wherein you have to put another digit down to carry another one. No. Put all your answer down. 5 plus 8 will give us 13. So we write our 13 and we say plus. Now we have minus 7 plus 3. Rules of integers says whenever we are adding or subtracting number with opposite sign, we subtract, but the greater number carry the sign. So we have minus 7, and 7 is bigger than 3. So minus 7 plus 3 will give us minus 4. So we have minus 4x. Now we come here, we also have the same. No sign is attached, but understand this is a plus. So we have plus 4 minus 5. It means we're going to use the same rules by saying subtract and the greater number carry the sign. 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So 1x is just x. So we're going to have minus x squared. Don't forget the power. Here there's no term here with power 3, so we're just going to bring this term down to be x raised to the third power. So this can just be your answer. Very simple. Now we can also use, let's look at b. B is subtraction. So where the problem, we're going to arrange, break the first p of x down to be b. We're going to have x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. Now we're going to put minus, because we know that the entire number are going to be multiplied by the negative, going to be affected by the negative outside here. That means we have to have our parenthesis being placed here, and we'll put 4x squared plus 3x plus 8. So if we're going to, before subtracting, we have to use a negative to be applied here. So that we write the same thing down so that we can apply the negative, because whenever negative is multiplied by another sign, it changes that sign of the problem. So we're going to have x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. Negative times positive here, we have 4 minus 4x squared. Negative times positive is going to give us negative 3x. Negative times positive, negative 8. Now we can subtract. So we have positive 5 minus 8. So we're going to use the same rule that says when we have opposite sign, we should subtract, but the greater number carry the sign. So we have 8 minus 5 is 3, negative 3. So we have 7 minus 7 minus 3, we add and the sign remain the same. 7 plus 3 give us 10. So we have 10x, but taking the same minus sign. Minus 5 minus 4, we add and the sign remain the same. 5 plus 4 is 9. We're going to have 9x squared. I take negative. Just bring x cubed down. This will just be your answer. Now let's look at the last problem, the C. In solving for C here in this problem, we're going to have 2 being multiplied by the entire equation and 3 being multiplied by the entire equation before adding them. So let's do that. We're going to have 2 times x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 5. Now putting this one down, we're going to add the 3. We're going to multiply the 3 also by saying 3, we have 4x squared plus 3x plus 8. So any expression that does not have a coefficient, we understand that the coefficient there is 1. So we have 2 times 1 is 2. 2x cubed. 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to have 10x squared minus 2 times 7 is 14. 14x. 2 times 5 is 10. Here we're going to apply the same rules here. 3 times 4 will give us 12x squared plus 3 times 3 is 9x. 3 times 8 is 24. Good. Now we can add, because we are used the coefficient of P of S and Q of S already, so we can just add. Now 10 plus 24 is 34. So we have 34 plus minus 14 plus 9. We subtract, the greater number carry the sign. So we're going to have minus 5, because 14 minus 9 is 5. 5x. Now we have the same rule here, minus 10 plus 12. So subtract and the greater number carry the sign. So we're going to have plus 2s squared. And we just mention our 2s cubed. This will be your answer. So you see, A, B, and C, you can just add them using simple method for understanding sake. Now remember, the page is solve, and share. So after learning the topic, you can solve this problem to help you. And don't forget to leave your answer in the comment section. The question says, let a of x equal 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 4x minus 5, and b of x equal 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 9. Find a of x plus b of x. B a of x minus b of x. C 3a of x plus 2b of x. Don't forget to like and share for others to learn like you. Thank you.